2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, keyless entry, remote engine start, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, ABS 4-wheel, front-wheel drive, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, auto-off headlights, child safety locks, CD player, electronic stability control, bucket seats, passenger airbag, side head airbag. Come see the car for yourself.